I'm Alan Brito from Blender 3D Architect, and welcome to this tutorial. Not exactly a tutorial, just a quick update about a feature of Blender 4.3, a brand new feature. This is a tweet from Jax Luke. Can I still call it a tweet? A post on X about one of the new features for geometry nodes. In case you are not aware, Jax Luke is one of the core devs of Blender and one of the responsibles for geometry nodes. He posted a new feature yesterday about the integration of Grease Pencil. Geometry nodes will be able to manage and work with Grease Pencil. And he posted two demo videos here. One of with this star, which we'll be doing in a few moments, and another one with this other example here using geometry nodes. And if you want to know more about this new feature of what it does, how it works, we can take a look into the commit from for this update. Let's take a look. The link is here. By the way, all of the links, everything that I will be talking about in this video, I will post links into the description of this video. And this is the commit. We have a lot of code, but what we want to know here is this short description. Based on this commit, we have two new nodes, Grease Pencil to Curves and Curves to Grease Pencil. And the question is, can I already use it? Is it already available? Yes, you can use that. Let me show you where you can grab a version of Blender that has this new feature. If you visit builder.blender.org, you will see here that I'm in the daily builds of Blender, the section with the daily builds of Blender, and one of the new builds, this one here that I'll be using, already has this new feature. You can already test that. So I will download it and let's start Blender 4.3 to see how it works. And here I have it, Blender 4.3 Alpha. And to get started, let's go into the Geometry Nodes workspace. Let's set this to top. And since I'll be using Grease Pencil, we can start by creating a Grease Pencil empty. Press Shift A, go into Grease Pencil empty, and add some geometry nodes. I will create a really simple example. We can even follow some of the nodes or the example that Jax Luke posted on his tweet. If I start here with a curve, we can go with star or any other curve. If you press Shift A, you can, if you never used Grease Pencil, you can press Shift A and add nodes. Let's go with a set curve radius. I will also need a set material to change the color or the material for this. And I will also need a geometry to instance, geometry to instance. Let's connect everything here. If I already make this, it will create a star. But this is not Grease Pencil yet. We have to add one of those two new nodes here, curves to Grease Pencil or Grease Pencil to curves. Since I'm creating a curve, we'll be using this curves to Grease Pencil, and it now will create a Grease Pencil based on geometry nodes. And of course, since this is Grease Pencil, you can add a material. Let's set that to black to use this material. I can change the color here. Let's change the radius, and there we have it. Generating Grease Pencil based on geometry nodes. If you want, you can test that yourself and see what you can do with geometry nodes. This was a quick update about geometry nodes and Grease Pencil in the upcoming Blender 4.3, which is due to be released in late November. I hope you like that. See you next time.